Hello everyone, my name is Uzair Pathan, studying in Standard 12 Science in Citizen Junior College, Uran. So today I will be explaining an experiment on Li-Fi. So first, what is Li-Fi? Li-Fi means life fidelity. This term was coined by Professor Harald Hertz. It is a wireless communication technology which make a use of visible light to transmit the data. As we are very familiar with Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi uses radio waves. Instead of the radio waves, Li-Fi will be using a visible light, and Li-Fi can transmit the data with the speed of minimum 10 gigabytes per second. So now let me show you what the working of the simple Li-Fi circuit I have presented here. First, the LED light will be powered with the help of 9-volt battery, and I will be transmitting the audio to the LED light through a mobile. When the LED light glows, it will be transferring the waves on the solar cell. The solar cell will decode the data from the LED light and will transfer it to the PCB. The PCB here acts as an audio amplifier which amplifies the audio and transfer it to the speaker, and then the audio will be audible to us. So let's see. Here my mobile is not connected with the LED light. Now I will connect the LED light with the mobile. As you can see, now the audio is transmitted to the LED light. Now I will take it close to the solar cell. As we know, the distance increases, the intensity of the light decreases. So when I will increase the distance, the volume of the audio will decrease. Now as the visible light do not penetrate through the wall, when I will block the path of the light, the audio will stop. So this is the working of a simple Li-Fi circuit I have presented here. Now what are the advantages of Li-Fi? First, we are very familiar with Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth headphones, etc. We use them for communication and for entertainment purposes. But instead of Bluetooth, we can use this Li-Fi, as the Bluetooth uses a radio waves which are very harmful for a human health. The Li-Fi will be using a visible light, and Li-Fi is a green information technology. Now it also provides a high security, which means in the case of Wi-Fi, as the radio waves penetrate to the walls, the person sitting anywhere can interrupt between your data. So, but in the case of Li-Fi, the person who is interrupting in your data should be under the range of the visible light. So this is the advantages of Li-Fi. So thank you for your attention.